Na gitio kinene muno ngagikwamukira utuko wa mothe mwiroreri wa Kameme TV oro ringi nitwagia na kanya ga gucemania ithaa-ini riri ria thaa ithatu niguo tukumenyithie maria magitinda makihanika thiini wa mutamburuko wa mohoro. Twabe twamukire matemo ma maria tuli namo. Mamwe ma maria tuguthagathageire mutamburuko-ini wa mohoro. Pope Francis kuhurukio kanitha-ini wa Santa Maria mucii munene wa Roma, atongoria makiurio makoro mari ituge cia thayo thiini wa thi.
Is it that there are no oncologists? Is it that there are no surgeons? That we support that action so that a proper action can be taken, a proper vetting process can be done, so that Kenyans can actually get a quality healthcare.
Long live union, long live! Long live!
Kiama kia madagitari KMPDU kuga arigitani kuma nja wa bururi aria marutaga wira thibitari-ini cia andu kiumbe nio marahuthika wendi-ini wa ciiga, makiuria kanjo ya KMPDC efujuo ni kugonderera wira-ini wayo.
We found one major blood vessel that comes from the heart. It's called the pulmonary artery. It had a huge clot, which in our report is written as an embolus.
Wakiri wa bunge ya Nairobi kuga MCA wa Kariobangi Joel Munuve akuire ni kwaga uigirereki wa arigitani. Na Agnes Ngetich ni andikithirie rekodi njeru ihenya-ini ria kilomita 10 mwena wa atumia thutha wa kuhota ihenya ria Addis Zero Road rucini rwa umothe bururi-ini wa Jerumani. Nitugukorwo tugikunengereria riboti icio na njira ithiranite na riboti ingi iria turi nacio ni undu waku utuko wa mothe mwiroreri wa Kameme TV na gitio ngikuria witikire tutwarane hamwe. Ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngonjiri, tugukorwo turi na wagaki wa Muthoni ari muthathauri na njira ciiko. Mutigaire Baba Mutheru Francis ni ahurukirio kanitha-ini wa Santa Maria mucii-ini munene wa Rome bururi-ini wa Italy, undu uria uhanikire kuringana na mutugo wa unduire wa kanitha wa Gatoreki makiria hari kuhurukia Baba Mutheru toria turamenyithio thiini wa riboti ino ni Bataru wa Mwangi.
Nekeheri-ini ka St. Peter's Square nja ya kanitha munene wa St. Peter's Basilica mucii-ini munene wa Vatican etikie marokire na nduma metereirie igongona ria kuhurukia Baba Mutheru Francis. Oria mathaa ma kwigeraga namba ya etikia aria magwikinyitie gukuyathio na mbere na gukura guku keheri-ini gaka kinyagia barabara-ini ingi mucii-ini munene wa Vatican, aingi makinyitanira hari kuga ruthario mbere ya igongona riri kwambiriria. Na thaa ithano cia rucini mwiro wa Baba Mutheru Francis warutwo kanitha-ini wa St. Peter's Basilica kuria ureroragirwo ni muingi na kuria ukuirwo ni akui ya mwiri 14 uigirirwo ciande-ini ukierekerio haria kubatie guikara nginyagia muthia wa igongona. Ugemwa igongona riri wakinyanirio ni ahunjia ngathi cia iguru kanitha-ini wa Gatoreki muno makiria makadino aria magwikinyitie na uingi Mark Bishops odumwe na thikabu kuma ituri itiganite thiini wa thi kuria igongona riri ritongoretio ni Cardinal Giovanni Battista Re toria kuraiguithanirio kiama-ini kinene gia gucira ndundu-ini ya Cardinals. Igongona riri no rihubirwo ugemu ni uingi wa atongoria mabururi matiganite kuria mapresident matiganite mekinyitie ari ni hamwe na President William Ruto uria ucungiririo gukinyia muthia thabari yake kuma bururi wa China, President Donald Trump wa America, Volodymyr Zelensky wa kuma bururi wa Ukraine, Olaf Scholz kuma bururi wa Germany, Emmanuel Macron wa Faraja, Prince William uria ukurugamagira muthamaki wa Ngeretha King Charles, Joe Biden uria ni president wa hau kabere bururi-ini wa America, gatagati-ini ka angi aingi kuria mabururi 130 marerikana kurugamirirwo ni maabitha matiganite. Hindi igongona riri kanitha wa Gatoreki warumirira makinya matiganite makuhurukio kwa mundu wa ngathi ya Baba Mutheru. Igongona riri giterefo na ugirereki marungu-ini matiganite arumiriria kanitha uyu thi yothe makinyitanira hari kuhe Baba Mutheru Francis gitio giake kia muthia. ta mutugwa igongona riri thutha wa mitha gukinya muthia akuya ithanduku riri marigirira ciande-ini o ringi kuria ricokirio thiini wa kanitha wa St Peter's Basilica ta gitio kia muthia na rita ria baba mutheru ria muthia gukanatonyo kanitha-ini wa St Peter's Basilica uria koretwo agikinyaniria matua maingi megie kanitha uyu thiini waguo. Kiria kirumirire ni ithanduku riri gwikirwo ngari-ini ya rangi mweru rikierekerio kanitha-ini wa St Mary's Major Basilica uria uikanie na kiratini ta Santa Maria Maggiore mucini munene wa Rome uria uri nja ya Vatican City kuria baba mutheru Francis aracagurire guthikwo mugaru na baba mutheru angi aria mathikitwo kanitha-ini wa St Peter's Basilica rita ria muthia guthika baba mutheru nja ya St Peter's ari makiria miaka 100 mihituku. Farafara-ini magana maetikia meyumiria na njira nene kugira baba mutheru Francis uhoro kuria meyariire taitina ria kilomita 5.5 kuga uhoro na ota wendi wake akorire etereirwo ni aikaria guku aria mataragwo ta thini na aria mateithagiririo ni kanitha o hamwe na hoitoro aria baba mutheru arateithagiriria na wendo munene. Muthia mwire wake watonyo nginyagia kanitha-ini wa St Mary's Major Basilica kuria muthia uhurukitio riu akigira iteri-ini ria baba mutheru aria manacagurwo gituro-ini giki na magacenjia maundu na winyihia munene kuria winyihia wake weyonanitie na maundu matiganite umwe wa mwari kurega guthikwo na migathe ya thahabu iria huthikaga guthika baba mutheru kwenda guthikwo mungu-ini wa mutugo na utare na mogemu ma goro undu umwe na kurega nguo na iratu cia goro agitua maundu maya ota undu wa tuhu mutheri kuma o mwaka wa 1936 riria Jorge Mario Bergoglio kana baba mutheru Francis aciarirwo mucini munene wa Buenos Aires bururi-ini wa Argentina nginyagia riu ari ukiri-ini ngumo yake gatigwo irio iguru ciiko ciake ikimogathiriria o riri kanitha wetereire wathi waguo mweru Roma makwega kuraga Pope Francis handu-ini ya Kameme TV ritorako ni Bataru wa Mwangi.
No tugukiuga arokihuruka uhoro baba mutheru tuthie na mbere na riboti ya muthemboge thuguri ya wendia wa higo iria ikoretwo igitwarithio kana igitwarithio thibitari-ini cia andu kiumbe irikanite gukorwo iratwarithio na mbere ni arigitani kuma mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja aria matari na marua kuma kuri kanjo ya KMPDC na kana makometekeria marute wira guku bũrũri-inĩ kuringana na atongoria kiama kia arigitani KMPDU aria manyitite mbaru riendekithia ria minister wa ugima wa mwiri Aden Duale ria kwenda kanjo ya KMPDC guthuthurio murutire wa wira ya mathibitari hamwe na arigitani moigite ati kanjo ino yagereirwo ni efujo.
Kuri na uhotekeku arigitani kuma nja wa bururi aria matari na marua kuma kuri kanjo ya KMPDC na oho matari rungu rwa kiama kia arigitani gia KMPDU nio marahuthika gutwarithia thuguri ya wendia wa higo thibitari-ini cia andu kiumbe.
Which specialties are not available locally? Which doctors are not available locally for them to have those doctors on board?
O ni kuringana na kiama kia arigitani gia KMPDU aria moigite arigitani kuma nja wa bururi gukorwo matari na marua na gukorwo matari kiama-ini ni hinya gutaukwo watho wa urigitani na ningi no matabanie thuguri cia ngungo wendi-ini wa ciiga kuona matire rungu rwa watho o wothe na ningi mangimenyeka mari na wiyathi wa gwithara na gucoka mabũrũri-inĩ mao.
Are there medical officers that are not being employed locally and then those others are being imported at cheaper rates? Is it that there are no oncologists? Is it that there are no surgeons? This is what we are saying today, that we support that action so that a proper action can be taken, a proper vetting process can be done.
KMPDU morotete kanjo ya uheani wa marua kuri arigitani hamwe na mathibitari na kuga ndikoretwo igithurima na kinyi mirutire ya wira thiini wa thibitari imwe cia andu kiumbe riu makiendekithia ifunjwo.
We have seen recently reported also where a fertility hospital have been set up in Parklands with the same individuals that were banned in India. This shows a lot of laxity from the KMPDC, which today we are saying has been to a greater extent acting at the whims of the politicians, where they license not on the on the ability of the doctors to do the services, but on the reactions of the politicians.
Mwandiki munene kiama-ini gia KMPDU Ndagitari Davji Atera oigite KMPDC ikoretwo ikihingira thibitari imwe maitho na kurekereria makorwo na wiyathi wa gukinyaniria maundu kuringana na wendi wao. Atera akiuga uyu ni ugwati kuri arwaru.
A Kenyan doctor cannot sit where an underage kid has their kidneys being harvested and stolen. It's only a foreigner who knows that after they mess up, they take off.
Kiama giki hamwe noguo moigite no nginyagia KMPDC irekererie namba ya arigitani aria moimite nja wa bururi na maratungata thibitari-ini ngurani guku bururi-ini, makiuga riboti ya uthuthuria wao yonanitie thibitari umwe urakuruhanio na wendia wa higo uri na arigitani matari na marua makumetikiria gutungatira arwaru guku bururi-ini.
It's no sense that the Kenyan doctors work so hard, train so hard, and they even pay their own school fees when they are subspecializing. Then somebody just wakes up and carries some imaginary oncologist.
Hamwe noguo marutite mukana wa amemba ao kugomera na kwaga kuheana marihi maria marihagira KMPDC oro mwaka makweruhia marua kungikinya kanju ino ndiguthondeka kuria gukoretwo kuogomete.
It's a waste of time paying them 10,000 shillings per year. Some pay 20,000 for them to run down the profession and risk the lives of Kenyans.
Kiama giki no giukiriire kanju ino na kuga iretikiria arigitani kuma nja wa bururi o riria arigitani makiria magirinya matari na mieke ya mawira guku bururi-ini ona thengia wa gukorwo makinyanirie ikiro cia gutungatira arwaru. Handu-ini ha Kameme Kayuka Muingi, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.
Tugithie na mbere ni ati wakiri wa bunge ya Nairobi Biko Ashoya ni onanitie kwaga kuiganira na gikuo kia MCA wa Kariobangi Joel Munuve kuria augite gikuo giki kiraumanire na kwaga uigiririki wa madagitari thibitari-ini wa AR uria uri kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kuria Munuve arigitagirwo. Wakiri Biko augite ati thibitari ndwatafanirie uthuthuria mukinyaniru kuri Munuve kuona thakame ya mateire kugoro-ini gwake na thutha ucio igicoka guthie nginyagia ngoro-ini yake na thutha-ini gicungereria gikuo giake hihi ni ngiagirireirio.
Acio uria mauma hamwe na muthuthuria wa mwiri David Atandi ni kirite mukondete uthuthuria wa mwiri uria uratafanirio ni athuthuria a mwiri a thirikari na matari a thirikari wonanitie Munuve akuire kumana na mukia wake wa mahuri guthingwo ni thakame iria yamateire mukia-ini uyu.
We found one major blood vessel that comes from the heart. It's called the pulmonary artery. It had a huge clot which in our report is written as an embolus.
Ashoya ugete gikuo kia Muvune ni kingiarigiriirio korwo thibitari wa AR uria uri Kiambu Road ni watafanirio uthuthuria wina kinyina gukurana kuri na thakame ya mateire kuguru-ini gwake.
The origin of the blood clot that we found in the pulmonary artery, we traced it all the way to the left leg behind the calf region, and we were able to demonstrate another blood clot, which is the one that originally detached, traveled to the heart, and started that cascade of events that led to full occlusion and the passing on of Mr. Munuve.
There were all symptoms that he was not well quite some time back. He sought help from a medical facility. Ideally, it is our expectation, and we really had hoped that if that medical facility had done its homework, maybe Mheshimiwa would have been here and we will not even be sitting here.
Uthuthuria wa mwiri uria weketwo wonanitie hari na thakame ya mateire thutha wa kuguru kwa Munuve kuria athuthuria a mwiri maugite kuri na uhoteteku niguo weheriire na ugicungiriria kuhingana kwa mikiha yake, makiuga ona ngoro yake yari na wibo.
On examination of his heart, he had mild enlargement of the heart, which was not significant enough to cause any death.
Athuthuria a mwiri maugite marigitari aya kwaga kuona thakame iria ya matire kuguru-ini kwa Munuve kuonanitie kwaga umenyereru gwoka ni urigitani. Igikuo kia Munuve ni gicungiriirio wagagu kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kuona arari mutongoria ureetikiritwo ni muingi ni uruti wake wa wira. Acio yakiuria uthuthuria makiri utafanio niguo gukurana kana kwaga uigiririki kwa marigitari aya nikuo kuracungiririe gikuo giake.
What is notable and what we will want to be underlined, and that is the report that we have brought back to our instructing client, that is the assembly, is that all the pathologists, all of them, they were unanimous. The big English word here is unanimous. They were all unanimous that the cause of death is actually the blood clot that went to the pulmonary artery.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Nduta wa Buthia.
Tobe tuikirie oro hanini ni turacokereria ihinda ritari coho mwiroreri wa Kameme TV.
Welcome to Next Superstar.
Yani kila mtu amefika kutoka Kenya mzima bara. Oh, better. Baridi ni mbaya.